if you were not a rapper, right, what do you think you would be doing?
I would want to be doing computer technician. I'd probably be working at McDonald's. Fries, bro. You know what I'm saying? But I would want to be doing computer technician of video games.
I'm Isaiah. I'm the co-founder and CEO of Bland. I'm sitting here with Soulja Boy, who is the first rapper to turn his voice into AI.
First to do it.
Did you expect it to be that good? What, like the first time you heard it, were you like, what?
When I heard it, I didn't know what to expect. But it was like every answer was composed, every response was crisp, everything was on point. Like it was no like, what are you gonna, I'm like, oh.
One of the things that's special about Bland is that we don't use OpenAI or Anthropic or anybody else, right? We build our models in-house. We're fully self-hosted.
That's genius because it's more ownership, it's more control. You don't want nothing leaking out there, you don't want nothing like that happening. That's a major advantage. If you're a regulated industry, you should be using Bland to automate your phone calls.